It's Sunday and this is my first day in Torun. I have no groceries, I have no blankets, and I am yet to unpack as well. I'm heading outwards and let me lock my door first. That was my room and these are the staircase. I'm heading outside. I'm on the second floor. Hi, I'm in the grocery store and I'm getting everything I need, and we managed to find a proper grocery store because everything is closed here. I'm done with the groceries. Let me unpack. So that's all from my grocery today.
Portuguese guy, Portuguese guy just speaking English.
It's the first day of my school today in Torun, and all of us are going to our faculty. Today is the orientation week, and we will get to learn about different things about the city. So let's go. We're heading towards our university, and I have Octavio.
Hello guys, first day of class.
So Octavio, how's Torun?
Torun is a very beautiful city, and for students it's the place where you want to be, Faisan. I'm sure we'll have an amazing time here, I'm telling you, and it's on video, bro.
And what are we doing today in the orientation?
Well, we have a couple activities, mostly to meet fellow Erasmus students, so I'm pretty excited. Do you think we'll see someone from Pakistan?
I don't think so. I think I'm the only one in the city from Pakistan.
You're the limited edition one. Yeah.
What about Argentinians?
I would be happy to see one, but it's difficult.
Yeah.
That's it? You have to fight with not with oil.
It's 1 degree here and it's freaking cold, and we are going inside for our orientation. It starts at 8:30 a.m. Wenchu, what are you doing?
Don't interrupt me.
What's in your mobile? Show me. That's cheating.
I will get my SD.
What's the itinerary for today? What's the itinerary for today?
Today we're gonna have like orientation, procedure, everything. We're gonna talk about the Polish culture, the stereotypes, and campus tour.
What are we doing after that?
Faisan, we will drink vodka.
What about the vodka? Oh, cool.
Okay, so this is your guide for the orientation week.
Selected examples of Polish flavors and dishes, and you will learn about the Polish table and food custom. Polish table.
So we are having our orientation today, and we got these amazing backpacks from the university. Let's see what they gave us. So we got this coffee mug, which seems really nice. And we got, let's see what's in this. We have 2 pens. They look pretty fancy. And What's this? Let's see. Oh, it's a Rubik Cube. Cool. Lastly, we have a pencil, lead pencil. And we also got a coupon which we can claim and we will get a hoodie or something from a store. So it's been going well for me.
Can I have only this one? This is free. Okay.
Connection here. There are a lot of books in English and also in many different languages.
Celine, as we are walking in the Nicolaus Copernicus University, how does it feel?
It's like in Turkey. I have many Turkish people in there, so
I can see so many Turkish people. Yeah, that's
yeah, that's one. But actually, I don't like it. You know, it's good campus, and also we have a lot, not a lot of, but actually the location is good. You know, we are near to our residence and some shopping areas, restaurants, so that's a good point, I think. So we will see what will be happen, but
What are your plans for the off days? Because we have classes on just 3 days.
yeah,
So are you traveling or?
I would like to travel actually. You know, it's almost 4 days, so that's a really good opportunity for us for traveling. Maybe we can find a part-time job, internship. I wish that manifesting.
Yeah, same.
So yeah, that's good. Yeah, 4 days is really good. Really good. Yeah. How about you?
I am looking for a part-time job as well as I want to travel to different countries nearby like Germany, Austria, Czech Republic.
Yeah. That's really good. Berlin is like 6 hours.
Yeah,
by bus.
it's as close as Warsaw.
Yeah. So that's good. We will have a lot of time to discover the many places in here actually.
Yeah,
So yeah.
let's see. So we are in this mall and I will be ending the vlog as I have to buy some stuff including blankets and some other essentials for my room. So see you some other time. Bye bye.